Okay, it's Friday the 29th, around 2 o'clock putting this together. We have some light snow along the northern fringes of Pennsylvania up here towards Bradford, heading towards Wellsboro. Some flurries up in the mountains up here. This is all associated with snow squalls coming off of the lakes. You can see these snow squalls here. The angle of it doesn't bring it into Pennsylvania as much right now. The heaviest snows are going to be up towards Erie and into western New York. This takes you to tomorrow morning, and you can see you do get flurries and some snow up here, but this is not the heaviest stuff. I mean, 2, 3 feet off of Erie in northwestern PA, but again, the angle is not there. I guess most of you people out there know. Here's Saturday evening. It's kind of moved to the north, and then it got some snows that try to sneak in up here. But again, it's just the squalls, flurries, and things like that. This is Sunday afternoon, and you can see nothing's really made it into your area. If we look at the temperatures, but that makes it into your area. Temperature wise, okay, this is Friday afternoon. You can see out here in western part of the viewing area, the mountains, Bradford, up this way. Temperatures have dropped into the 20s. South of the mountains, down here towards Williamsport and Sunbury and down towards Harrisburg down here, Lancaster's over here, temperatures have dropped into the 30s, and that cold air is going to work its way across. And this is around midnight. Let's take it to midnight. Here's midnight. Temperatures have dropped into the low 20s up in Bradford, out here in the western areas. They're below freezing at State College. They're below freezing everywhere. So it gets quite cold tonight, and it's going to stay cold. We get to around 11 o'clock in the morning. We got some teens up here towards Bradford and mid 20s down here towards Harrisburg, Lebanon, in that direction. As we get during the daytime hours tomorrow, very little moderation. Temperatures stay below freezing up here. So if any ski resorts out there, they can start making some snow, I guess. Harrisburg, you get to about 33 degrees. This area through the Susquehanna Valley here can just get above freezing on Saturday, barely. And as we go into the nighttime hours, this is 8 o'clock and it's already dropped to below freezing at 8 o'clock Saturday night if you're going out. Here's midnight. Temperatures have dropped into the mid 20s down here towards Harrisburg and Lebanon. Mid 20s in Sunbury, Selinsgrove, Williamsport, State College, and Bradford. You're into the teens. It's cold. So you get to Sunday morning. You can see temperatures have dropped into the 20s and teens across the whole area. It's all below freezing, and if you want to get escape any heat or any cold temperatures on Saturday or Sunday, I should say, temperatures again up this way, all in the 20s, still during the daylight hours, and they barely get above freezing down here in southwestern part of our viewing area towards Harrisburg. And then late in the day, they drop really quick. This takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening. And again, everybody's down to below freezing again. All right, how much snow? It's like I said, most of it's out in western part, but some of the higher elevations get the squalls can get an inch to 2 inches or so, and up here towards Bradford, maybe an inch or so, and the heavier snow is up to your north and to your west, where they're going to be plowing. All right, next week I expect a couple different opportunities for snow across the state that'll pack it in and cause situations across the whole viewing area. And I think temperatures will actually get colder on Tuesday. Colder, yes, you heard right. You think that's cold, it'll get colder starting on Tuesday until next week. So we're in a good pattern here. I got a couple questions. Will this pattern hold? I think the pattern holds until somewhere between the 15th and the 20th when I expect a fairly decent snowstorm to come through. And again, that'll change the pattern. And I think we'll moderate a little bit as we get in towards the end of December, uh, yeah, towards Christmas. But I don't see any big heat waves, but I do think it'll moderate a little bit as you get towards the end of December. All right, take care. The main forecast, and we'll discuss all that other stuff that's coming up is in your general forecast.